was nice hanging out.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'll see you later.
Oh wait, there's something I have to tell you. Yeah, be vigilant, okay, my sister. I really like you and I wouldn't lie to you. I think you should be very cautious about Ella.
Ella?
Yes.
Well, what's Ella done?
See, listen. This is not the time over there. What is Ella done? The thing is, that girl, oh yeah, serious, dangerous, bombo class. That girl is very rigid.
Oh, what has Ella done?
We are friends, right? There's no way I bet me.
There's no way we would just come and talk about Ella.
But Ella, why are they?
That girl is going out.
Oh, how? Me, my husband.
Ella is going out with your husband. Do you think we can lie to you?
Why would you say such a thing?
Oh, but that's what we've seen. That's what we've seen.
Me, my
as
husband.
friends.
You can't get Ella. Oh, that weak husband.
Oh, come on. We are telling you the truth.
He doesn't even have money. The house, no cry, he's still paying. Or maybe, I don't know.
Meaning you don't trust us.
Oh, it's not that I don't trust you, but
we like you.
If you want me, yes, sir.
And yeah, for anything from Nasha.
Oh, no, they want me, yes, sir.
What the Nkansah
Ella cry, want me, yes, sir.
So, your best friend
Jenny Paddy.
Oh.
Now, yes, to cry, I'm going to send you.
Nkansah. Wow. Yeah, that's right.
Yo, Obi was kind and come see Ella. Don't trust that girl.
Oh, no. If anyone crying, yeah, Ella. But no problem. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Until later. Okay. Bye.
Yo.